President Donald Trump compares it to a kamikaze attack, referring to the current government shutdown. He blames Democrats for starting it, saying they have nothing to lose. He made the comments while hosting the Prime Minister of Canada. Several other topics came up as well, including trade. But it was the shutdown that prompted several headline moments, including one about back pay. White House Correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen.
Veronica, good evening to you. As the shutdown continues, questions tonight are being raised over pay, specifically, as you mentioned, back pay. And both the president and a senator addressed that today.
On day 7 of the government shutdown, President Donald Trump questioned about back pay for government employees now sidelined, some 750,000 workers.
The Democrats have put a lot of people in great risk and jeopardy, but it really depends on who you're talking about. But for the most part, we're going to take care of our people. There are some people that really don't deserve to be taken care of, and we'll take care of them in a different way.
A memo being circulated by the White House says legislation the Republican president signed into law back in 2019 does not require back pay, and that it's up to Congress to provide the funds. But Senator Patty Murray counters the president, writing, "The letter of the law is as plain as can be. Federal workers, including furloughed workers, are entitled to their back pay following a shutdown." Another baseless attempt to try and scare and intimidate workers by an administration run by crooks and cowards. The president also says his administration will cut yet-to-be-named programs.
Because of the shutdown, which I think they made a big mistake, we're able to take out billions and billions of dollars of waste, fraud, and abuse.
Another hot topic, trade.
We have some natural conflict, but we will probably work that out.
Both leaders stress the competition between the two countries.
But we're competing for the same business. He wants to make cars, we want to make cars, and we're in competition. And the advantage we have is we have this massive market.
There are areas where we compete, and it's in those areas where we have to come to an agreement that works. But there are more areas where we are stronger together, and that's what we're focused on. And we're going to get the right deal.
President Trump long ago floated the idea of Canada becoming America's 51st state. He joked about it today.
But this is, in many respects, the most important.
The merger of Canada and the United States.
That wasn't where I was going.
And the president was pressed on domestic issues, like his crime crackdown.
If you look at Chicago, Chicago's a great city where there's a lot of crime. And if the governor can't do the job, we'll do the job. It's all very simple.
Now, back to the government shutdown. President Trump says he's concerned about airport delays. He calls them Democrat delays. There have been some cases of air traffic controllers calling out sick. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.